How to get the best Samsung discount code. The first things first is we are going to a specific website. Just pull up any preferred browser you want and just head directly to your search bar. Now from your search bar, go to couponfollow.com. Then here, this website is providing us any products discount promo codes and it is actually working. So once you're here, all you have to do is go to search for store immediately and just type in Samsung. Choose on the first result right here. And these are going to be your options on choosing on what specific promo codes or discounts off you want. So for example, you want on cashback up to 5.5%. So all you have to do to get the code is just simply click on that to view the coupon code number or combination symbols. So let's try this one. Now, as you can see, that specific option is providing us a specific code. Now, some of those options right there is requiring you to do a task. Um, For you to be able to get or have a vision of the code, you'll have to follow the task first before you can copy the code. Now, once you already obtain the code, just copy it and go to the Samsung's official website. Before you place an order, enter the code from couponfollow.com and you are good to go. So that's it. That's how you find the best promo code for Samsung.